Your son's genotype is SS. See you later.
Who is that boy father? Speak now!
Honey, please.
Who is Chinebere's father? Speak!
Oh, honey, please. I'll tell you the truth.
Speak now!
Caroline, you are my very good friend and also my roommate. I have to tell you the truth. I know you're very much in love with Elodie, but he has a long way to go. This is our 4th year and we are almost rounding off. He is a medical student and he has not less than 3 more years to go.
Yes, what's your advice? Because I don't actually understand where you're driving at.
I think Frank is a better option for you, if you ask me.
Sweetheart, I love you. I cherish you. You are the best thing that has happened to me. I respect you.
Baby, I'm speechless. If there is any possibility of me making you my wife today, I mean, right now, maybe I will not hesitate. I thought we were meant to live together.
And I lost his contact. We stopped communicating. It's over 10 years ago, honey. Not until the day we went to the hospital for fertility test. Then I met him again.
Caroline!
So nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. So what are you doing here?
We live in this town. I never been practice here too.
Oh, I've been here for years now.
Meet my husband, please.
Oh, good day, sir. Good day, Dr. Fine, sir. You're welcome, sir. Please sit down, sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Sit down.
Honey, we are telling the same invest.
Yes. Oh, how nice.
Hello, babe.
Good to meet you. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir. Caroline. Yes, I'm coming. Oh, Caroline. You're welcome. You're welcome. Come on, sit down. What do I offer you?
Why did you ask me to come and meet you in a hotel room? I'm sorry, honey, I'm sorry. Honey, Dr. Lodibe, that doctor you met that day is Chidebere's biological father.
What?
Honey, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So, you knew this all this while. You knew that I was not Chidebere's biological father. And you kept it from me.
I'm sorry.
For all these years.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You!
I'm sorry.
And she, who is she? Who is she?
She.
Speak now!
She's my young.
Shut up! Now listen to me. Only the truth will save you at this moment. She just called you mother. Tell me the truth.
Please. Honey, please. I had her when I was in secondary school. I didn't know how to tell you. I didn't want to tell you because I thought that it would make you not to marry me. Honey, please, she's my little girl, please. That's why I kept it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Honey. Just. Honey, please. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you in the name of God. Honey, please, now, honey, please. Honey, now. Honey. Honey, please now. Honey, please now, eh? It's okay. Oh. Caroline, this is you. Oh my God! Look at you. Look at you, Carol. I can't believe this is you that I'm seeing. Look at you. It's been a long time, oh. Carol, baby. Yes. What are you doing in Enugu? I should be asking you. I live in Enugu now. You live in Enugu? And we've not seen each other. I can't. I'm jobless now. I go about for jobs. Yeah. Not you, Carol. Not to worry. The job will come. Amen. Hey, Carol. Eh? I hope I before. How is Frank and children? The children are fine, but I and Frank separated a long time ago. Why? You know what? Why don't you give me your number? I will come and visit you tomorrow. Oh, yes. Tomorrow. Hey, Jojo. I have not changed it. Hey, Carol, baby. Please. Get your number. I'm probably going to give it to you. It's okay. I actually came to buy drugs for my daughter. She's not feeling too well. I also came to buy for my son. He's not feeling well. Oh, really? He's not feeling well. He will feel well soon. My love to him. Okay, take care of yourself. I'll give you a shout. Big commander, take care of yourself. I got to the kids. Will do. Wow. Oh, sweetie. Yeah. You know, I met a very good friend of mine. We were schoolmates and we shared the same room at the university. Yes.
Where?
At Amani Road.
Is she a male or a female?
Come on. She is a female. I was talking about sharing the same room. But I have shared the room with a male in the university.
Well, they do it these days.
Not me. You know, we were so close. For the 4 years I was in school, we were mates, roommates. And everyone thought we were sisters. That was how close we were.
You were very good friends. Yeah?
Very. Caroline.
Is she married now?
Yes, she is. We got married about the same time, but I think she got married a month before we did.
Does she have children yet?
Yes, a son. You know what? I am going to invite her over to spend some time with us. Daddy. Mommy, good morning. Good morning. How's your night? I was okay, and yours? Great, Daddy. Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Where are we off to? We're off to the supermarket. Bomb shorts. What is wrong with that? We're dressed casual. Yeah. You know how I feel about these shorts? It's indecent. This is okay. We're just going to the supermarket. And off we go. See you later. Bye. To your clothes. Just say this. I don't think you mind to be a baby. This book, it's a joke talking to you. You, Caroline, a cleaner? Oh, come on. A graduate? Pico, we can do better than that. At this stage, I can do it. Let me call my husband. Oh, hello, Ifoma. Is my husband there? Oh, production site. Okay. Okay, thank you. It's going to the production site. We'll see him later when he comes. Wait. Caroline, what an 80-80. Nasa, so 84. Nana! My lecture is in the next 15 minutes. Come out, or else I'll go without you. Nana! I don't have time to waste.
Sorry, you're
Better.
my book.
You're always coming.
Sorry, let's go.
Sweetie.
Yes.
Here's your wine.
Thank you. Yeah.
I want to ask you for a favor. And I hope you'll do it for me.
Is there anything I can do for you?
Well, this is not directly for me. It's for someone else. Yes, a friend of mine.
A friend of yours?
Yeah. Remember Caroline, my friend?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
We went to school together. We studied same course. Well, now she's jobless.
So, what are you trying to say?
Well, I was hoping, praying. Can we give her a job in the company? Please.
Good job.
Caroline, guess what? I have good news for you.
Like?
Surprise. Tell me. My husband said I should ask you to come in with your CV and your application letter to the office first thing tomorrow morning.
Really?
8:30 to be precise.
Thank you. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You're
Really?
welcome. Yes.
Thank
Oh,
you.
come
Thank
on. You would have done the same for me. I know you.
Thank you, Josephine.
Please, you know my husband. Make sure you're there on time. He's a very time-conscious person. Okay?
I'll be there before time. I'll be there. 6 o'clock, I'm there. I'll be there.
Oh,
Jesus,
good luck.
thank you.
I believe and I know you're going to get that job.
Oh, Josephine, thank you so much.
Stop thanking me. Have you forgotten all you did for me in school? Oh, if not for you, Caroline, if not for you, I won't be where I am today. I will never forget you. Never. Alright?
Josephine, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, bless you.
Let me even play celebration music before the day comes.
You're still like that.
You know me and music now. Okay.
Oh my God, this is nice. Oh, this is my happiest day. Thank you. Ah, God.
Celebration time.
Thank you. In, like those days in school.
I know. You were
Yeah,
fun.
good,
You were the one that used to bubble. I remember. You remember that day we went to one party
That.
and I didn't even have.
Oh, please. Oh, please.
You have been a wonderful
Please.
friend. When I remember those days, I just feel like crying.
No, please don't start.
But God is faithful.
Yes.
God is faithful.
Oh, God, thank you.
Production supervisor.
Welcome to my office.
I told you. I told you.
You said it and it came to pass.
Yes. So who am I? What am I?
Omega Group of Companies, Nigeria Limited.
Some of you. One of the best. You got that? Oh, come on. We're destined to be friends forever. Sisters.
My God will bless you.
Amen. Listen, I am here to tell you to get ready because I am taking you out for lunch. We need to celebrate. So you know what? We are going to celebrating at my office. Where are these girls? Mommy, oh my God, I'm going to miss you. We'll miss you too, Mommy. It's just a month holiday. Yes, but I'll miss all the mushy, all the huggy, all the kisses. Oh, baby. You be good. Love you too, darling. Bye, Mommy. Have a great holiday. Yeah. Now, who's going to look after who? I'll look after Nena. Both of you look after each other, okay? Okay. Easy. Come and help me. Isaiah, you're always late. Hurry up.
Thank God you came at all.
Darling. Bye, Mommy. Bye, darling. Bye. Another one. Baby. You make sure you come back early. I'll be waiting. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Put this thing down.
Isaiah.
Jeremiah.
Bye, girls. Be good. Isaiah, open the gate, please.
What did you just say?
The sales manager is not in the office and I've searched for him everywhere, yet I couldn't find him.
So what are you going to do?
Whenever he gets back, he will find it wherever he kept it.
Have you covered the cell phone?
I did, but his phone is switched off. Every information you need is in the file I gave to you.
Okay, you can go.
So this company is this rich? 25 million in a week? So much. I can see a black strand here.
And I bet that would be about more.
It's not. And if I'm able to get 10 strands, you're going to give me 100 quid.
Agreed.
Okay. Just a minute.
Are you putting them together?
I will eventually.
Kosi called me today.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they said they were trying to call you, but your line was unreachable.
Oh my God. And how are they?
Well, they said they are fine. Just that they are missing you.
I am missing them too. But I'm going to give them a call later tonight. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Lest I forget.
Yes.
Your friend.
My friend?
Which one? The one that worked with us.
Oh, Caroline.
Caroline.
Yes. What about her?
She applied for an official car.
An official car?
Yes. Are you not aware?
Yes, I am aware.
Oh.
Yes.
Don't you think that it is a little too early for her to ask for anything like that?
Come on, sweetie. Everyone needs a car. You want to move around, you know. Well, yes. It's a bit too early for her to ask. But you know what? This is not an official time. This is a time for you and I. So can we just forget everything about the office? I know what you're trying to do. Distract me from getting my homework grade. It won't work. So just keep your head still.
Okay.
There you go. I'm gonna pull one.
That's the first one.
Caroline, you actually applied for an official car without my consent. Did you think management was going to assign a car to you without my approval?
No, Josephine. You mean I should have come to discuss that with you before I apply for that car?
Exactly. That is exactly what I am talking
Is
about.
that a company procedure or because of the relationship that we have?
I brought you into this company. And in case, by any chance you forgot, I am the Deputy Managing Director of this company.
And if you know your job very well, my application was supposed to pass through your table.
Don't you dare insult!
Sorry, if I just did.
Apology accepted. Now you get out of my office. Please leave. I don't want to do or say anything stupid.
I tried to help you, I tried to love you, I pulled you up, but you pulled me down. I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire, child. Aboko wasiade, ogamo, 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 ogame bukwamo. Aboko wasiade, onyamamo, onyamamo.
Home sweet home. It's so good to be back home. Oh, Raphael. Come on, carry the bags. How are you? Raphael. My girls are back with a bang. Simeon, get down the boxes. Mommy. What? Why do you always do that? You don't know. His name is Raphael. His name is Raphael. Daddy, Simeon, Raphael, they're all names. Now hurry up.
How are you?
Daddy. We miss you so much. Oh, come on. The main baby is here. Oh, my God. Oh, baby. Sorry.
Oh, I trust
Love you. What about me? Mommy, I'm gone. Love you. Yeah. Did you get my favorite book here? Of course. You sure? This morning. This is not why I'm here, Josephine. What's the problem? Why are we here? So you asked your husband not to approve the official car for me? Excuse me? Why are you blocking my way? Why are you trying to frustrate me? Why are you doing this? No, back off a bit. What do you mean I'm blocking your way? Caroline, how can you even say that? Eh? How can you say that? I personally picked you up from the streets and gave you a job. Caroline, you asked for a loan to rent a house. I gave you some money from my own personal account. I said, do not pay back. And I've been paying your son's medical bills over and over again. Now because my husband turned down your request for an official car, you say I am blocking your way? Come on, Caroline, I have forgotten. Forgotten what? Have you forgotten so soon? What are you talking about? How I helped you in school? Come on, Josephine. You are such an ungrateful friend. How? Am I watching a movie or something? Did she just call me ungrateful? What does she want from me? Caroline, what do you want from me? My blood? I've done so much for you. So because you helped me through school, I should kill myself. God, I can't believe this. I thought I was being a friend.
Why are you wearing a long face?
It's nothing.
Really?
Well, that's just that I don't understand Caroline anymore. I mean, she's giving me an attitude. She's being funny and generally making me feel uncomfortable. I don't feel too good about it.
Maybe because of the car issue.
I think so. Yeah, I think so. I mean, come to think of it, she's only been 2 months in this company. Not long enough to get a car. And I was thinking she would understand. You know what? Don't worry. We'll sort ourselves out. We always do. Would you like to go out for lunch? That's actually what I
Oh,
came to.
yes, but let me finish what I'm doing.
Good. Let me put my things together. When did you get this? Just Caroline, please. Please stop crying. Please stop crying. It's okay. Get up and rest. I promise you, I'm going to look into this. Okay? Come on, stop crying. I hate to see you like this. I'll do something, I promise, Caroline, I promise. I mean, why? Why would you do a thing like that?
Why would it die? Tell me, why would it die? Listen, I don't want to talk about this anymore. Not anymore. And if care is not taken, I will terminate your own services to you.
Oh God, I can't believe you're doing this.
I've told you, I don't want to talk about it. And now listen to me. If that woman does not leave this premises in the next 30 minutes, I am going to get her arrested by the police.
Excuse me.
I tried to help you, I tried to love you, I pulled you up, but you pulled me down. I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire, child.
Sister, food is ready. Should I bring your own?
Lost appetite.
Don't worry, you'll find another job. You know, but
You know how long it took me to get this one.
I know. But the same God that provided the other one will also bring another one. Hey?
I've heard. Josephine, I've After everything I did for you. So this is how you want to pay me back. Josephine, why did you go to class?
I've not paid for my handout, and I don't want any embarrassment from Mr. Akubeze.
Why didn't you tell me this?
I thought you knew. Moreover, I don't want to bother you anymore.
Have you eaten?
No, but I'm fine.
I'm coming. Babe, get up. Let's go and eat. Get up now. Let's go and eat. It's okay. Get up. First of all, we'll go and eat. After eating, I'll give you money for the handout. Meanwhile, anytime you need money and I'm not around, you go to that my red purse and pick any amount you want. Okay? Cheer up. Let's go. Caroline practically saw me through school. I feel indebted to her. This is an opportunity to pay her back, please. You promised me that you would do anything that I ask of you. I mean, please, she would never ever do it again, I promise. She has learnt her lesson. Daddy, please.
It's okay. I will recall her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yes.
I do appreciate this.
Caution.
I will caution her. First thing tomorrow morning, I will talk to her. Thank you so much.
Yes, come in. Yes. What can I do for you?
So I came to say thank you. Thank you so much for giving me a second chance. I promise to have good conduct, to be obedient this time. Thank you very much. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
You may now go back to your office.
What should thank you, sir.
Agama, 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 agame bukwama, aboko wasiadi. Onyamama, onyamama, onyamama dunebuya, aboko wasiadi.
What's that? Madam, yes, please sign these documents for me. Why? Isn't he the president? No. The secretary said he was going to lunch. Gone out for lunch. Are you sure that's what she said? That's what she said. Really? Okay. I'm signing this behalf.
I tried to help you. I tried to love you. I pulled you up, but you pulled me down. I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire, child. Aboko wasiadi. Agama, 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 agame bukwama.
He's calling me. I guess your wife.
It's my wife. Why is she calling?
Pick it and tell her where you are.
Hello?
Sweetie, come on, hi. How are you? Where are you? They said you had gone out for lunch.
Well, I just stepped out of the office, but I'll soon be back. Any problem?
No, not really, but I thought maybe we could have lunch together.
No, I'm not going for lunch. I just stepped out.
No?
Yes, sir. Please come in.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. Let me go and call her.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Amelia.
Oh! How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to my little house.
Yeah. It was difficult locating this place.
So sorry about that.
Okay.
Welcome to my little house.
Thank you.
What do I not find?
Oh, don't worry. Just came to know this place. And again, I want you to go in and get ready. I take you to a car stand where you take the car of your choice. The only classic.
Really?
Long time.
Oh, you're a darling. In a few minutes.
Okay.
He just drove me on his back. Get back here. We need to let him know we're mad at him for keeping late night. Yes. Take out the time. Let us go.
I tried to help you, I tried to love you, I pulled you up, but you pulled me down. I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire, child. Aboko wasade, ogamo, 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 ogame bukwamo. Aboko wasadi, onyamama, onyamama, onyamama dunebuya. Aboko wasadi, agama, 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 agame bukwamo. Aboko wasadi, amagema, onyamama, onyamama. Onyamama dunebuya, obuku wasadi, agama, 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 agame bukwamo, obuku wasadi, amagima, onyamama, onyamama, onyamama dunebuya, obuku wasadi.
He's not yet back. Mommy, I'm sure nothing wrong has happened to Dad. I'm sure about that. How are you so sure? Because if something wrong has happened, we would have gotten a call by now.
Exactly, mommy.
Yeah.
Just take it easy, okay?
Okay.
Just calm down.
God, 11:50. Look, you girls should go to bed. I'll sit here and wait for your daddy.
Oh, no.
Someone needs to open the door. I have to come to bed.
Mommy, how can you say that?
I need to open the door for him when he comes back.
It's either we all go up or we stay here.
Yes.
We can't leave you here.
We'll stay. Oh. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? For 2 good days, you've been away. You didn't even bother to communicate with your family. I called you. I called you several times, but you didn't bother to answer your phone. But I don't understand what's going on. How can you do this to us? You just kept us in suspense. I mean, you never used to be like this. What's going on? I'm talking to you on... You approved an official car for Caroline and you didn't even let me know.
Oh. It was that period that you were hospitalized.
Is that supposed to be an excuse or something?
Josephine, am I in partnership with you in this company? Oh, you expected me to come to the hospital to beg for your permission to approve an official car for my production supervisor? Is that what you are telling me?
Did I just hear you right? Did you ask me if I'm in partnership with you?
Yes. Am I in partnership with you? Because I employed you to help me run the company. Is that why you're thinking we're in partnership?
Oh my God. Is it me you're talking to like that, Frank?
Sorry. I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Yes, you are. Will you excuse us, please?
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
You know, I was told about this, but I didn't believe it.
And now that you have said it, what else?
Will you get your filthy hand off me? You beg for nothing. You're not ashamed of yourself. I will see you at work.
Honey, please. We're in a public place and people are watching.
You're a disgrace to womanhood.
Agua bata ezinuna basasia udono wana makana agua bata afufua bata onwa bata.
This is terrible. Mom, so what do we do about this now?
Nina, you're asking what we're going to do about this like it's true?
Sister, it's obvious. Is it not obvious?
Why are some people just so wicked? Mom, some people are just from the bottom of hell.
No, sister. On the second thought, I think we should just not jump into conclusion. We should look and see if...
Nina, can you shut up?
Sister.
Shut up! We shouldn't jump into conclusion. Can I ask you a question? What was she doing with Daddy outside work? What's her business with my father outside the office?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
Okay, shut up. Mommy, please, can you please just calm down? Stop crying. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Oh, it's okay. Stop crying.
Just leave her for Nana. Mommy, I promise you we'll deal with that woman. We'll beat the husband snatching spirit out of her. How is she? Mommy, I promise you.
What's going on here? What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Auntie, are you crazy? How dare you ask us questions?
You barged into my office and you have the guts to ask me, how dare you ask me questions?
Hey woman, you shut that your mouth. Do you think we are here for jokes? If you don't keep quiet, we're really going to descend on you right now.
What's wrong with you?
How dare you call us kids? Auntie, are you stupid? Have you lost it? Now listen, we've got just one message for you, and we will not repeat ourselves. I will not repeat this, so listen attentively. Next time we hear or see you hang out with our father outside the company, Auntie, you will regret it.
And if you ever make us come back here, you will not live to tell the story.
You understand what I just said? I mean, this bloody husband snatcher. Useless woman. How dare you? You call yourself mom's best friend. And next, you're hanging out with her husband. You're just a bloody wicked.
Husband snatcher.
Nana. You say? I'll so punch you. Try me.
Why did you go to my company to insult my production supervisor?
I went to tell her to stay up my father. How dare you?
How dare you slap my daughter? You slap her because of some useless woman? A woman that means nothing to you, not to your family.
Don't let me turn my anger on you, because I know you are the brain behind this.
Yes, I am the brain behind it. And for your information, I have prepared her termination letter. Yes.
As what? Tell me, as what? As the chief executive officer?
I got her into this company, and I'm going to take her out.
Will I decide what happens here? Now let me tell you, Caroline is moving into this house as my second wife.
What? Daddy, this must be a joke. A very big joke. This can never happen in this house. It can never happen. For what?
Where did you get the food you're eating from?
What sort of question is that?
Hey! What are you doing? Are you mad? Is it my elder sister you're running your stupid mouth for? Eh? Sister, did you just hear this stupid girl?
I got the food from the kitchen. Do you have a problem with that?
Of course we do have a problem with that.
Robert, what is this?
What is this?
What is this? What are you doing?
We're going to see this beef chicken. Can you pay for this? Can you work hard to buy this chicken? Huh?
What is this now? Hey! What is this? Hey! Leave me alone! What is this?
So because of food my husband bought in this house, that you people, the new things, wanted to kill my son for.
Oh please! Nobody touched your son. Caroline, you know, we actually come a long way. I don't want to hate you. Because if I should hate you, Caroline, you would not like what I would do to you.
Please, mommy, please just relax. those things.
As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing both of you can do in this house. Owero!
Oh, honey, are you going to stand here and watch these things insult me?
Go, sister. Both of you leave my presence now. Get out of this place
Daddy,
now.
for what? For what? We are not going anywhere. Yes, if you want it like that, then all of us must leave. Not only my sister and I. You're not going anywhere.
I don't want to repeat myself. And you better go upstairs now and pack all those rubbish you left.
No way!
Hold on, Frank. Are you talking to me?
Yes.
You are very stupid. Frank, you are crazy to utter those words. How dare you? As a matter of fact, if there's anyone that needs to leave, just yes, get out!
You must be stupid to point those fingers at me.
And woman, you must be mad for talking to my mother like that.
Me mad?
Yes.
It's your mother. Your great-grandmother, her fourth generation.
Okay, relax. Let me give you a reply. Let me reply you. Woman, you are mad. Your children, those before you, after your generation, they are crazy without your useless red hair.
Wait. Is it my auntie you're talking to like that?
You're so shameless. Imagine calling your mother auntie. Shame unto you. She's your mother. She's denying you. She's calling you sister.
No problem.
You are so shameless.
No problem.
You calling your mother your auntie. She's not proud of you. Our mother is so proud of us. And we call our mommy, you call yours auntie. This is illegitimate.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't.
You better shut up. That mop you put on your head that you call her hair, right? I will turn you upside down and mop this floor now.
You're still talking. Try it.
It's okay.
You called me once.
What is going on? Why haven't you submitted the production report this morning?
I'm sorry. I was instructed not to submit it today.
What do you mean that I was instructed? Instructed by who?
DMD.
The DMD instructed you not to submit production report to my office?
Yes, ma'am.
Informer, leave me in the office now. Where did you submit the production report this morning? I mean, in whose office did you submit it? Paul's office. What office should be in my office? Get out! Get out!
No, just make sure you pay your land, okay? Alright, sweet. Bye.
What are you doing in my office? I got your message, so I came to ask you why. Leave my office, please. Oh, come on, Josephine. Have you forgotten that you and I own this company? Okay, I will leave if you insist. But before I leave, I would like to ask you something. Why did you ask them not to submit the production report on my table this morning? Come on, Caroline, you should know better. Your services are no longer needed in this company. You're no more part of this company. Do you understand what I'm saying? You are pushing me to do what? Oh, God. And you've not bounced back yet? Oh, come on, Caroline, you're actually disappointing. Get out of here. Josephine, I have heard. Hi, Kosi. My baby.
How can you take such a decision in this company without first consulting me? You don't have such powers.
Ah, come on, honey. Be a man for once. This woman here is taking you for granted.
Excuse me? Caroline, I brought you into this company. I pleaded on your behalf when you were sacked from this company, single-handed.
And so what? Is that why you're parading yourself as the sole director of this company? Let me warn you. Let this never repeat itself again. Did you hear me?
Did you just use the F word at me?
Honey, I'll see you later. I'm so stressed.
Look at this maggot talking to me. You see the embarrassment you've heaped on me? Are you happy now? Frank, are you happy?
Just really get out of my office. Get out of my office!
I, Josephine, get out of your office? An office we built together? Oh, honey. Get up and push me out of your office. Because I am not leaving your office. It's obvious you are. Now, let's go.
Just get out of my office!
Push me out of your office. Try it! If your name is Franklin, try it! Oh.
We shall see.
You're dealing with a crowd.
Makana gwa bata, afufu bata, onwa bata, agwa bata, afufu bata, agwa baby.
Mommy, what's this? Mommy! Yeah, easy. I don't know. Where? This leg. Which leg? No, please. Mommy, try to get up. Please, just try to get up. Wait. Get up. No, stop. Oh, God. Good day, doctor.
Hello, what is your, how are you?
I'm well, thank you, sir.
Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Why had the father refused to see me?
Doctor, like I said before, he has a problem with my brother.
Even at that. I'm a family doctor. Is that why I refused to see me over a week now?
I know my father. There's something wrong. But, sir, Doctor, please, why don't you just tell me whatever you want to discuss with me?
Well, I just don't have a chat with him, that's all.
About my mother's illness.
Yes.
Then talk to me, sir. Talk to me about it.
It's not to worry about, okay? I don't have a chat with your father, that's all.
So it has to be my father. Oh, God, what have I done to deserve this? Oh, God. I would rather die than have my neck amputated. No, Mommy, you won't die in Jesus' name. How can I be alive and be spending? Be rotting away. I want to die. Like, please, stop it. The God I serve will never allow anything to happen to you. I will not die, Mommy. I want to die. Look, you girls, I know you can go outside for fresh air. I know I'm smelling. Mommy, no, you're not. You are not smelling. Stop it. I cannot breathe. Mommy, how can I be alive? How can I be alive? I'm not in the way. I'm crying. Thank you. I'm dying. I'm not in the way.
What is this smell? Foul smell that's passing around here. What is this?
See the dead brat or what?
No, it's because he saw his mother's leg. She just got back from the hospital.
Jesus Christ. Where is she?
She went to her room a few minutes ago.
Honey, I don't like this, so you have to do something about it. What is this? I'm tired of all this in this house. Nena, what is the meaning of this? What? Couldn't you have stayed in your room to eat this food? Why bring in your stinking mother to generate this odor everywhere in this house?
Auntie?
Oh, shut up.
You call my mother stinking?
Oh, come on, shut up.
In her own house.
Shut up! Will you get out of here before I pour this rice on you? Please, let's go. Go! Sorry, Queen. Sorry for the embarrassment. Okay, let's stay here.
What happened to her?
I met it like that.
And she could not treat it?
She was taken to the hospital, and the doctor advised that her leg be amputated, but she refused.
You people are not safe. You better convince her to accept the amputation.
Please. I and my son are safe. My sister knows how to take care of herself. Please.
What's your husband saying about this?
What is my husband saying about what?
He knows it, yes.
Oh, I don't care to know what he says or what he thinks. It's none of my business. Please, let's go so you can show me the jewelry you bought from.
You are not safe, oh. Carol!
Let's go somewhere.
Don't overlook this.
Honey, I want you to send these people out of the main house. For Christ's sake, send them out of this house. Send them to the boys' quarters. What are they still doing in this house? If you don't send them to the boys' quarters, I will take my son and my sister out of this house.
You know, I had thought about it myself. Don't worry, I'll do something.
It's not time to think. It's time to act. Send them out.
Okay. First thing tomorrow morning, I will do that. Do you hear me?
You better do that. If I come back here and meet them here, I will take my son and my sister out of this house. How can I come back to my house and be smelling odors here and there? Take them out of my house. Disturbing me around with odors.
I tried to help you. I tried to love you. I pulled you up, but you pulled me down. I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire.
out of the house. I labored and suffered. You threw me out of the company. Caroline, I just wanted to help you. I just wanted to pay back. But you betrayed me. Except I don't worship a living God, Caroline. The Lord Kama will catch up with you.
Go see Sachuku! Go see Sachuku! Why are you shouting my name? Are you okay?
Tell me, why did you come into the kitchen to collect the pot I washed to use and cook this morning? Why?
I sent her to collect the pot.
Yes.
What?
Yes! The pot belongs to me.
How do you mean the pot belongs to you? Does anything in this house still belong to you?
How dare you talk to my mother like that?
What is it? Leave me alone! Stop! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I'll kill you! Leave me! Jesus! Oh! Leave me! Stop! No! Stop! I'll kill you! Jesus! Oh! God! Leave me! Oh!
That's how many legs. You will smell it. Hold your leg. You will smell it. You will smell it well.
Jesus!
Yeah, Josephine. This madness of yours and your daughters is getting out of hand. You put on my house into a battlefield, and I don't like that. All of you would have been thrown onto the street were not for Caroline.
Tell them.
And I hear anytime I go out, you carry this your rotten leg to sit in front of my house. What if my visitor comes and sees this eyesore? Eh? Eh?
Josephine, let me warn you. Tell your children, none of you should ever touch my cooking utensils in this house again.
They have ugly red hair. You think you can talk, Abi? Wearing red on red, local woman. You don't have class at all. You're just too rash when I like your mother. Classless woman.
Talking to you, waste of time.
You are the one that is spending your hair that is spending. Daddy, tell her to go and wash her hair.
Let's go on.
Dirty woman.
Yeah, very flawful.
Dirty woman. Ameba. Husband snatcher.
Agua, agua, agua bata. Ezenuna basasia udono wana makana agua bata.
How are you feeling? She went to buy the drugs you sent her.
My children. My babies. I'm sorry. See, you can't position mommy's neck well. Take. You carry this. Mommy. 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 Stop your water. Stop your water. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, Biko. Mommy, I just went to buy it. I've gotten the drugs. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, Biko. Mommy, don't do this. Mommy, Biko. Mommy, Biko. Bring the water. Mommy. 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 Mommy.
What is that? What is it?
Mommy. Papa.
Mommy.
Papa. Mommy. Mommy.
Ibuna Sima, I want a million so. Nada one walk as it as Saturn. If your mother had not died, how would I have known that Franklin has grown up daughters like you?
Uncle Anosike, please. We're sorry. It's not our fault. Our father will never allow us to visit the village. He will never. Uncle Anosike, the main reason we are here today is to beg you to please mount pressure on our father so our mother can be buried appropriately. She's been lying in the mortuary for the past 2 months. And our father is not budging it. He's not doing anything about it. Please, Uncle.
Anosike, since Franklin has no interest in this kindred, I, Ordinachi, have no interest in anything concerning Franklin.
Ordinachi, just take it easy.
Take what easy?
Relax, take it easy. These children have come to ask us to help them to ensure that their mother is buried. Josephine was our wife and has to be buried.
Point of correction, Anosike. Josephine stopped being my wife many years ago when I discovered that she didn't mean well for me. In fact, I had to move her from the main building of my house to my boys' quarters. So I do not want her to be buried in my family house in my name.
Franklin, don't allow me to say what I have in mind.
Hold your peace, Ordinachi. Hold your peace. Franklin, you see, we, your kinsmen, have resolved that Josephine will be buried in this family. Josephine will be buried in this family because until her death, Josephine remained your wife. I hope that is clear. Josephine remained your wife because we did not demand or receive back the bride price we paid on her. So, Josephine will be buried in this family. I hope that is clear.
Came to tell you that we'll be leaving for the city tomorrow.
Wonderful. Okay.
Yes, Uncle. We appreciate all your effort towards us.
You're welcome, my dear. You see, during the burial, I observed that your father wasn't himself. Your father that I used to know. And I wonder where on planet Earth he met that woman whom he says is now his wife.
Uncle Anosike, that woman was my mother's friend. And my mother got her the job in my father's company.
Okay, I think you people have to be very careful.
Right, sir.
You have to be very, very careful, because, you know.
Thank you.
This is Johnson, though. Don't worry, when school is about to be down, come on. Miss you too. Papa,
bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
Don't you work us?
Take care of yourselves,
Yeah,
eh? Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, that's right.
Open the gate, please.
Why are you blocking the gate? What's the meaning of this rubbish?
What's the meaning of that now? Open the gates now.
Madam say I should not allow you. Please.
Meaning what? Madam said you should not allow us in.
Excuse what? Please open the gate, let me go inside.
Please, I'm begging, please.
I'm so hungry and tired. What's the meaning of food now? Why is this woman doing this to us? Raphael. Oh my goodness, this is too much. I'm hungry and tired.
genotype is SS. See you later.
Who is that boy father? Speak now!
Honey, please.
Who is Chinebere's father? Speak!
Oh, honey, please. I'll tell you the truth.
Speak now!
Caroline, you are my very good friend and also my roommate. I have to tell you the truth. I know you're very much in love with Iledi, but he has a long way to go. This is our 4th year and we are almost rounding off. He is a medical student and he has not less than 3 more years to go.
Yes, what's your advice? Because I don't actually understand where you're driving at.
I think Frank is a better option for you, if you ask me.
Sweetheart, I love you. I cherish you. You're the best thing that has happened to me. I respect you.
Baby, I'm speechless. If there is any possibility of me making you my wife today, I mean, wife now, maybe I will not hesitate. I thought we were meant to live together.
It's okay. I'm supposed to be the one doing this. It's okay. Please come.
Why are you blocking the gates? What's the meaning of this rubbish? What's the meaning of that now? Open the gates now.
Madam say I should not allow you. Please.
Meaning what? Madam said you should not allow us in. Excuse what? Please open the gate, let me go inside.
Please, I'm begging, please.
Sister! I'm so hungry and tired. What's the meaning of food now? Why is this woman doing this to us? Raphael! Oh my goodness, this is too much. I'm hungry and tired. Raphael! Daddy.
What the hell are you doing here?
Daddy, we got home. And Raphael didn't allow us enter the house.
Yes, that was instruction given to him.
Daddy, you gave Raphael instruction not to allow us enter the house.
Into our home. Honey, what is going on here?
Complaints. Just hear them.
Daddy, did you really tell Raphael not to allow us enter the house?
Yes, he did. So?
But why? Daddy, have we done anything? Why are you treating us like this?
Daddy, why are you doing this to us? You locked us out of our home. Honey, please, could you ask these things to get out? This is an office.
Now both of you leave my office.
Daddy. Now. Daddy.
Leave my office now.
We are your daughter.
I said leave my office.
We should leave. Daddy. You leave.
Nene, let's go!
Oh my God.
Well, it's okay now. It's this your head, so it's gonna give me good crazy.
But you pulled me down. I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire, child. Aboko wasiade.
Sister, what's our fate now? Where are we going from here? Let's go back to the village now. Eh?
Go back to the village. To meet who? Papa Iberi. Or who? Don't say that.
Sister, it's better we go back to the village than staying here watching up and down. I'm tired. I'm tired. Auntie, what's going on?
What does she want? Why is she calling your phone? Don't pick it up. You pick it at your own risk.
Hello, Auntie. Okay. Oh, she said we should go back to the house.
Huh? Are you sure?
That's what she just said.
Let's go back. We have no other option. Let's go. Honey, where are the children?
You want to see them?
Yeah, please call them for me. Nena!
Let me check this side.
Nena!
They're here.
You are here. Come fight. Did you see anybody on that?
Didn't you hear your name when I was calling it? Go out of this place. Now both of you listen and listen very good. I begged your father to bring you back to this house to show you that I am not a wicked mother. I am a mother. I know how it feels to lose one. But let me warn you. One mistake you make in this house, one domestic work that you forget to take care of, will not take me more than a second to fling you out of this house. Do you both understand me?
Yes.
Yes. So you better put yourself in order. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. How they look at their mother.
Is there nobody here? Nena, what is going on?
I went into the kitchen and saw that everywhere is so untidy. You did not wash the dishes, talk less of mopping the floor. What is happening?
Are you mad? Have you lost it? Sister, I don't know. What did you just say?
Somebody, what's the problem? What's the problem?
Peter! The chicken is out. What is this? I will strip you naked. Peter! It's not over well. Peter!
Agua bata ezinuna basasia udono wana makana agua bata afufu bata.
What's going on? What nonsense is this? Who pouring water everywhere? Why do you wash the water in my house?
I'm washing clothes.
You're washing. Shut up. You're washing what? Do you know how much I spend on diesel in this house to pump water? And you're wasting it on washing these rags. Next time you want to wash these rags, take them outside and look at the ditch what you want. Do you understand me? Now get out! Get out! I think this is out. No one to say that to you. Nonsense. Let me see. My pump pot to come and use waste my water washing nonsense. Okay, man, that's so good. Let me see it again in this house. It's alright.
I see you guys came to shop, right?
How much is everything? 3,500.
You don't have to bother yourself. I will take care of the bill. Okay?
No, we have our money to pay. Thank you.
Why did you refuse that guy who wanted to settle our bills?
How will I accept such a thing? Why should he settle our bills? Someone I don't know. Is he our friend?
Sister, you are mistaking the whole thing. Someone settling your bill doesn't mean that you must know the person.
It doesn't matter, I know, but in this situation, it does.
I will not take that. Excuse me. What's the meaning of this? Why will you cross us like that?
I'm so sorry. I never meant to make you feel this way. I'm really sorry, the way I drove the car and the rest. But the point is, I would love, we use this opportunity, to get to know ourselves.
Excuse me, I don't have time for that.
Please, I would love you to talk to your sister for me. Please. I just want to talk to her, please.
I'll talk to her on your behalf.
Nena! I can see him. I wonder what his problem is. What is his problem? Why is he stalking us? You just ignore him. Just ignore him. Are you okay? Nena, move. Ignore him. I can see him. Nena, let's go.
Hi. Hello.
What is it? What's your problem? Why are you stalking us? Are you jobless? Can you please back off?
I'm sorry to stop you girls. It's not my intention.
Back off! Nena, let's... are you okay? I should listen to him. Okay, I'm listening. What is it?
I don't even know how to talk to you. Your tone is so high. Can you calm down, please? I'm even scared to talk to you. Please, can you calm down? I beg you. Please, can you...
What is it?
The point is...
Maxwell, I want to ask you a question.
Please go ahead. I'm all yours.
Why didn't you want to take no for an answer?
In life, I knew that what is of great value is very difficult to come by. And in life, we try to work hard. As a matter of fact, everything I've achieved in life, I have a secret, I have a success point. It is, I go for what I want. Now with you, in spite of what happened, something kept me coming back to you. Guess what was that? Your level of resistance. And the whole funny thing is that everything that transpired, of course, here we are today. That's what I was.
Crying.
Sister, look at the food still you gave both of us to eat.
This is what's on your side.
Yes.
You eat and fine, I'm not hungry.
What would you not eat?
I'm filled up.
No meat, nothing more.
I'm sorry I reminded you of the past. So sorry.
It's okay.
So, how do you people survive?
It's by the grace of God. We have to work before we eat. Sometimes we work and she doesn't give us food.
What has your dad done about this?
Dad seems to be under his spell. She controls him.
And you people could not say man of God?
I come against everything that is not of God in this house. Every property, every fundament that is not of God in this house. I command you to die in the mighty name of Jesus. Begin to die. I command you to die in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Every witch that is not from God.
It went to that extent? That's bad. That's so serious.
Okay, you're welcome. Please just make yourself comfortable. Let me go and tell you.
Hello. Welcome. Thank you, sir. Please sit down.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Mansur Okeke, and this is my very good friend, Omenka Dikeh. Sir, we are here in respect of your daughter, Kosiso. She's been a wonderful friend, and I wish to let you know that I have interest in marrying her. So I actually did it right to come meet you as the father and officially let you know, sir. Yes. Sir, I have this very little...
No, just keep it. Did she tell you that I'm her father?
Yes, sir. And that is why we are here, sir. Yeah.
Well, I am not her father. Please don't come here again. You may leave my house now.
Oh, sir.
I said leave my house. Leave my house.
Hi, honey. What's going on? What's going on?
Come on, leave me alone.
Baby, please. Whatever I must have done wrong, or my mom or sister, please forgive us, Daddy. This is the time I need you the most. He wants to marry me, Daddy, please.
Leave me.
I think the bed, Daddy. No, he loves me. Please let me beg, Daddy. Let me go. Honey, please. Honey.
What about him?
He went to say Etiko.
Who invited him?
He did.
Why? What happened?
She said our mother was a witch. Our mother was
You lie!
And then as soon as he marries me, he will die. Can you just imagine?
Jesus Christ. That woman is very stupid. It is she and that her useless daughter that are witches. How could she say such a terrible thing? Okay, tell me, sister. What was Maxwell's reaction over this?
He said I shouldn't worry, that he knows what is going on. I'm worried. I'm worried.
No, you shouldn't be. I just don't know why that woman wouldn't leave us alone.
I don't know. I don't know why. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Frankly, your daughter, who she saw your daughter came here with a man that she said wants to marry her, but that you denied her as a father. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
But why did you have to do that? Frankly, don't you know that these two girls are your blood? A family that you have labored so hard, toiled so hard to build, and you're watching it being destroyed, just like that. Or haven't you realized that the devil is at work?
Honestly, I'm sure you know that Josephine, my wife, is still being mourned. And we are encouraging Kosiso to go ahead and get married.
No, but it's over 6 months since Josephine was buried. And traditionally, the mourning period is supposed to have been over. And the man that wants to marry her is even ready to perform the mourning rites, in case you are not. Frankly, try not to be an obstacle to your daughter's marriage progress. My brother,
My daughter, take this drink. Go and show us who your husband is.
Okay, Daddy.
Searching for you. Let's go to the Asadi Mongo. You don't say I'll be searching for you. Fortunately, no one to do. I want to be young, but you must see the fortunately, no one to do. I want to be young, baby, not see the
I want you to prepare the injection for the patient in Ward 2. Please, no mistakes. Yes.
Doctor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good to you. Yeah, thank you very much. So, how is my wife doing?
Well, your wife is stabilized.
She's stabilized?
Yes.
Good so much. Doctor, there's one thing I want to do for me.
Okay, what is it?
I want to take my wife back to the city.
So you're asking for a discharge?
Exactly. Okay. That's what I want. Yeah.
Okay, so we need to prepare your bill then.
You mean the bill?
Yes.
I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Doctor, so can I see her now?
Of course, sure. Can.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thanks a whole lot. You know what? God will bless you people. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Wow. What a beautiful house you have here.
Yeah.
Wow. This is lovely.
Yeah. Very welcome. So, how do you get to know my house?
Can I sit?
Please, you have a seat. Yeah. Sit.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How I got to know your house does not matter. But what matters most is that I'm here. And the beautiful house you have here, I must say. Maswell, I came to say sorry for what happened during your traditional marriage. But in the other way around, I'm also very happy that you've come to see what I was telling you.
Well, whatever transpired during my trial marriage does not stop my love for Kosi. I am still
Oh my God, Master, what do you understand by the word love? Anyway, let me not go into that. You see, you have to be reason-based and not emotion-based. Uh-oh, I lost you?
You lost me?
I did?
Of course you did.
Maxwell, you have a very strong spirit. And that spirit is what saved you. Else you would have been dead now or be the one in the hospital. You should make more use of your senses. Have a nice day. No. Oh, come on, give me a hug. Come on, just a hug. Sonia! Sonia!
Auntie!
Sonia, please give me a chilled bottle of wine and 2 glasses.
Okay.
Do you like her? Do you like her? Hello? Do you like her?
Likeness is understatement. I love her. Oh my God, such beauty, so refined.
Look at where she sweats so much.
Please allow the sweats to come. She's an epitome of refined beauty.
Oh.
Hi.
Marcel. Where's Marcel? Marcel.
Sister, talk to me well now. Put on it well. Talk to me well.
I want to go. Really?
Hey! My sister! Sister, please just talk to me well.
I want to go.
She says she wants to be. Oh, I'm finished.
I can tell the next. Where's my husband, Marcel? Marcel, where is he?
I've not heard from him, but he will still come. But sister, talk to me well now. Why are you doing your mouth like that? You're scaring me. Sister? Help!
I want to go.
You want to go? Okay, wait, I'll take you. Kill yourself. Where am I?
Please. Okay. Thank you.
Don't worry, fine, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. How nice thing.
I should be asking you that.
It's
Look at you, I'm okay.
last year. That's my last year, I'm fine.
What is it?
No. That's how you see. That's last year.
Talk to us now.
That's my husband, last year, that's my husband.
Sister, I don't want to tell you this.
Tell you what.
Sister. I met Maxwell, who was making love to Sonia in his parlor.
Jesus!
Auntie. Take it easy, okay? Just take it easy on yourself. Take it easy. Come. It's okay. Auntie, just take it easy.
Papa, you are not saying anything about this issue.
So, what do you expect me to say?
Nena and Kosi, they are suffering. They have become slaves in their own father's house. Even Sister Maka that went to the city, she said that Kosi's fiancé has abandoned her in the hospital for Sonia, Caroline's daughter. Papa, is it school? They no longer go to school. Papa, you have to call the kinsmen so that people can do something about this.
See, I want you to understand something. There is absolutely nothing we can do about it. There's nothing we can do about it. Absolutely nothing. Our kinsmen won't even want to hear anything about Franklin. Or have you forgotten what we went through in this man's hand during his wife's burial? Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten?
Papa, are you sure Caroline has not charmed all of you?
Charmed who? No. You obviously don't understand. Franklin is a family of his own, even though he's our brother. And those girls are his children.
Papa, do you want them to die in penury, suffering all their life, just because Franklin is a family of his own? Papa, you have to do something.
Okay. My dear, I wonder, maybe you probably have to come and advise us. You become our advisor. And then you advise us exactly what to do.
Kosi!
How are you soon? No.
Where did you get this pot of soup from?
Go and ask Google the question. How are you soon? They're now hungry.
Okay.
Open it and eat. Oh yeah, eat. You
Okay.
take meat, yama anyhow. Put her inside. Do yama you should if you like. Let me see the meat.
Don't worry. Okay.
Go ask Google. Ask Google where I see the stew from. Yeah, boy. You not eating the talking rubbish. Salt there. Is it, eh? You like it?
Eat now.
You want to? Yeah.
Ah, don't worry. Whether it's hot or not.
It's She knows how we cook. I heard that.
You know Sabiku, you say Sabiku.
No, don't worry. Everything is good. What happened to the bag?
What in your concern, there is no that. You know I use that.
Makana gwa bata, afufu bata, onwa bata, agwa bata, afufu bata.
You're not with your girl, I'm not.
What's this? Is that not my pot? Jesus Christ.
It's in the zone.
Sonia! Sonia! Sonia!
Sonia!
Come here first!
Yes, auntie!
Will you come here?
You come here!
What is happening here?
What time, Gary?
I should be asking you. Is this not my pot?
Eh? Did you get this thing from now?
Is that not my pot?
I have to remember you now. You remember you, sister.
Oh, how dare you go and don't tell you not to try it. What is this? Don't try it. It's something that I cooked. And so? No, don't try it. Hey.
No.
I'll scare you.
Nena, have you seen what your imbecile sister did with my pot of soup?
Auntie, she's not fine.
Shut up.
Whose fault is it?
Hey. Shut up. Do you know how much I spent for her to make this soup? Do you know? And listen very good. Carry this thing wherever you go. Wherever you sit, go with her. And then if she try this thing in this house again,
what you happen?
Buy your Kunando. Booya or Fuya Nanya. And take her out of my sight. Try it next time.
And that's it.
So let's go.
Go, Joe. What kind of... You just look at my body. I'm sitting now.
You can't get like two. Ugly bear.
I said, leave me alone. Let me beat her. What is this now? Auntie,
Hey. Go and carry this pot. Now carry that pot now. You're there making up. You don't know.
I said, leave me
from here. Nonsense. There's nothing I will not say this out. Imbecile. I know we have around. Oh my God, look at me. Yeah? Frank. Madam. What are you doing? You're doing what? Go.
I was okay, just great, Daddy.
Did you sleep well?
Good morning.
Where are we off to? We're off to the supermarket. Warm shorts.
What is wrong with that?
But dress casual.
Yeah,
You know how I feel about these shorts. It's
Mommy.
indecent. Oh, baby. You be good. Love you too, darling. Bye, mommy.
Have a
Love
great
you.
holiday.
Yeah.
Now, who's going to look after who?
I'll look after Nena.
Both of you look after each other, okay?
Okay.
Easy.
Home sweet home. It's so good to be back home. Oh, Raphael.
Come on, carry the bags.
How are you?
Go
please go to the boys' quarters, pack what that belongs to you, and leave this house. I have told you I'm not your father, you're not my children.
Better, I have long expected this. What is all this?
Where do you want these young girls to go to?
Stay where? After all they destroyed my house, they destroyed my television, my photograph.
Honey, please, this should I
I'm talking and you're shaking your head.
No, come on. No, don't cry.
Please, honey. As their mother, they're still going through that. I am now their mother now. They're not my children. I want them to.
Auntie, I hope you're okay.
I brought you closer, but you burned me with fire, child. Aboko wasiade.
Oga?
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
I'm from Zenith Courier Service Limited.
Okay.
I have a mail for Miss Nena Franklin.
Then I go and call Nena at the backyard.
No, they said they were going to Auntie Ngozi's house.
Auntie Ngozi's house?
Yes, sir.
So, can I?
No problem, sir. You can sign for her.
Okay, good. Where am I going to sign?
Sunny.
Okay. I hope it's okay like that.
It's okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Franklin. How about?
What a nice soup. No meat.
So, Franklin, all this Zachariah you're doing for me, it's just because you won American visa lottery, right?
Ogamaki, I don't understand you. When I entered here, I greeted you. So why are you saying I'm doing shakara? Shakara for what?
You're doing shakara for me. If you're not doing shakara for me, why didn't you tell me that you won American lottery? Huh? Or are you not my friend again?
American visa lottery. Who dash monkey banana? Hey God. Oga Maki. I did not win any lottery. Biko. Here. Madam, Biko, my stuff.
Okay, let me show you something. What is this? Watch this.
Nena Franklin.
Are you serious? Jesus.
I'm not serious.
Jesus. I did not know.
You're supposed to have been notified.
Are you trying to tell me you don't know about it?
No. Nobody told me anything. Nobody called me. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to go and check the website. Okay, Maki, take. Oh, wait.
Oh, I go to give me my paper there.
Are you good? Hey! Give me change. Okay, Maki. Hey!
Oh.
American visa.
I've been everywhere around the town, and no one seems to have the money to help me.
I know because things are very hard now. It's not possible to see someone that can give you such money.
Oh, hey. What are you telling me now?
Then I really don't know, honestly.
Please, I need your help. I need you to help me. Please, can't you talk to someone on my behalf? Maybe they will help me.
Please, you're my only one.
Let me see what I can do. Let me know if I can talk to one of them. Yeah,
You will talk to your friend on my behalf. Hey, I got back to you. Go through this.
No, stop. Come on, stop. That's why I'm tears. Because I'll wait for this one.
I got back to you.
Hey, Nana. How are you?
Fine.
How did you do?
He said he has a project at hand that involves a lot of money. Hence, he couldn't give me the money. But he promised to introduce me to another of his friends. Yeah, who will help me. Yeah.
That's good.
So that's why I've come to thank you, because without you, it wouldn't have been possible.
Okay. No problem. Let's keep it going.
Okay, I have to be going.
Alright. Thank you.
What is this car driving? Please, Dikeh, what is motor? Stop, 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 I'm like, stop, stop, stop. Stop! Jesus! Oh my God, oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? Yeah! It's coming! It's coming! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God!
So, now since I don't go to America again, huh? See my sister.
Stop dragging her. You can see she's ill. Huh?
Please, I don't want my sister to die. Oh.
Don't worry, she will not die. I promise you. She will not die.
Nana!
You still go to America. Huh? America, you still go to America.
Don't
worry.
I love my sister. Even if she don't go to America, I don't want my sister to die. I think I can only hold her.
Who says she will not die?
Yes?
I'm sorry to interfere, sir. Just that I went to the hospital to see my daughter, and the doctor said I should tell you that she needs to be taken to orthopedic hospital immediately.
Ngozi,
Sorry.
I employed you to render services to this company, didn't I?
Yes,
I didn't employ you to know what is happening in my family. Did you hear that? Let this be the first and the last time you will ever talk about my family. Now get out of my office. Get out of my office. Hello. Did they bury your son at crisis? Oh, okay. Oh, you are taking him to the hospital. Fine, that's fine. Which hospital? St. Francis or St. Anthony? Oh, okay, St. Anthony. No problem. I will be there now. I will be there. Okay? Yeah.
Chidi, my son, after all you put me through, after all the pains you made me go through, why did God not look at my heart and leave my son for me? Why did you have to go like that? How did you have to go?
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, I'm sure God knows that Chidi died. Everything will get better for you. For those that love the
Stop telling me that! If God knew I cheated, then why didn't he see it in my heart that it was my only son? Oh, for Polo, it's okay.
Stop crying, listen to me.
My God, what kind of life is this? My mother is dead. The only opportunity I had to travel outside the country couldn't work. Now I'm on a wheelchair. What kind of life is this? I want to die.
You're not dying, Jesus. No, stop it. Don't stand with you. You're not lucky you're alive. Some people they are dying. What they don't want to do? I know God has a reason to see, I shine get. See, I go here, yes. Now I say shine get. You got it. See. Yes?
I don't know.
See.
My neck, sister.
She, yeah, hang girl, yeah, kid, hang girl, yeah. Now sister says, no,
Why did you take my brush? Why?
So then, why are you shouting at my sister?
I'm not even talking to you, please.
Who like you?
Give me my brush.
Stop it, Sonia!
Stop it, Sonia!
Yes, I got her. She's even smelling. She doesn't gap. She's smelling. My sister Nana, she's angry. She's a dirty girl. My sister says angry. Don't mind her. You're angry. Yeah, sound like that. Yeah. My sister says angry. Sister says angry.
What are you doing here?
You're hungry. You're hungry, Daddy. I know it is his but you don't like crying. You're hungry.
What work have you done this morning that you want to do?
We are so hungry. We are hungry. We are people who are eating. We are not eating our children. We are hungry.
Go away from here.
Daddy, no, we're hungry. See, now right there. Daddy, no, is hungry. Daddy, no, is hungry. You're hungry. You're hungry. Come police, come Boko. We are hungry. We are hungry. Right there. College. Raphael. Daddy, we are hungry. Who's already hungry? You're hungry. Yeah, come and see what I do for that. Daddy, we are hungry. We are hungry. I come and teach Shakaya for that. I say, you're hungry. you're hungry, eh? Let me see you. You see that? See what? No, you eat first. See what these stupid people they are enjoying. They don't want to give us.
I didn't know you were going to get the food.
When I go there, that's Sonia. So what open her mouth and be talking rubbish.
She didn't want to give you the food before.
I did not even face her. Daddy that just shakara. I say, Daddy, we are hungry. We are hungry. We are your children. We are hungry. I come and shout. Collect the rice. That's that Auntie Carol. Auntie Blushi. You're hungry. You are your children. You're hungry.
How is she? She's okay. You know, from the series of tests we carried out, she did not sustain any internal or external injury.
Thank God.
Yeah. But I wonder, why was she carrying a POP?
POP?
Anyway, it's alright. It's okay, she's free to go, okay?
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hi. Honey, I was looking for something inside the wardrobe and this bag fell off. What is this? What is the problem? What is the problem? Huh? Oh yeah, this is our house. Okay.
We are here.
Go inside now, inside the house.
No, fire.
Fire where?
It's fire.
There's no fire. There's no fire. Let's go. I want to see what.
Only fire there.
There's no fire. Let's go.
My bag.
Eh?
Give my bag. Give my bag. My bag. Hey. My bag.
See your bag. Go, open the gate. Go.
Kosiso. Please, I'm sorry. Kosiso. I'm sorry. I killed your mother. Now please forgive me. I wanted to kill both of you. So that none of you will challenge me in future. That was what I wanted to do. Okay, what?
Genti, Imam Bully, Omaka. Imam Chupulikwana, no longer.
Now both of you listen and listen very good. I begged your father to bring you back to this house to show you I am not a wicked mother. Please, this year I know. Please, honey. As their mother, they're still going through that. I am now their mother.
Nonsense. Please go.
They're emotionally stressed. They're not children, honey. I want them children.
Auntie, I hope you're okay.
Honey, I wanted my son to marry my daughter. Hi, Sonia.
Let's take it out first. Please,
What do you go there? Bachia. Number chair. Oh, come. Shiteta Tagawa. You only want to maswear. Come, Uncle Game. Taco.
Sonia, please get me a chilled bottle of wine and 2 glasses.
Oh, okay.
Do you like her? Do you like her? Hello? Do you like her?
Likeness is understatement. I love her.
I'm so sorry, honey. I'm so scared. Daddy! You killed my mother!
Cheta, me want ranya gafu, ma metu, kiri le nenye gaga.
What is this?
Hey! What's this? I locked you with this key. I'm so sorry. I want to do this.
Sister! Please help my sister! Sister!
I'm so sorry.
Sister, you're well.
Nana.
Sister, you're well. Oh. Sister, you're well.
Honey, I locked you with this for you to love me. Honey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Daddy.
Mercy.
Oh God. Oh God.
Nana.
This is where I locked Maxwell. That was why he could not marry you. I won't release him. I'm sorry.
I'm not listening.
Sorry. What am I doing with you? What are we doing here? What? Jesus! What am I doing here?
What's up?
Hey, don't come close to me. Don't ever come close to me. Huh?
It's me.
Don't say nothing. Just.
I'm sorry. Nana. Did not look you anyway. But I projected an accident on you. Please, honey, I'm sorry.
What did we do to you? What did we do to you?
Sorry.
What did we do to you?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I spoke with the doctor and he advised that Nana should be flown abroad for surgery. Yes. Yeah, he also promised that he will facilitate the overseas trip. Exactly. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Sorry that I caused you so much pain and anguish by your grief. I took you for granted. I could have been a better husband. I wish I could turn back the hand of time to prove how much I love you. I am sorry.
It's okay.
I love you so much. Rest in peace.